guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Foodie Utopia. Today we will be making broccoli grilled cheese. This is a great way to get your veggies and protein in, and it is really yummy as well. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this recipe, we will need 3 cloves of garlic that are finely chopped, 4 slices of bread. You can use store-bought or homemade. If you would like to make bread at home, I'll put the link for that video in the description. 90 grams of chopped broccoli florets, some salt and pepper as per your taste, half a tablespoon of paprika, some chili flakes which are optional, but if you would like your sandwich to be a little bit spicy, you can add some in, and 110 grams of shredded or grated cheese. You can use whatever cheese you would like. I'm using mozzarella cheese. First, you will take a medium-sized pan on medium heat and add in around a tablespoon of oil. We will wait for this to get heated. You will add in the garlic. Give it a mix and we will cook it until it is golden brown. Then you will add in the broccoli. Give this a mix. And cook this for around 2 minutes. Then you will add in the paprika, some salt, and some pepper. You will give this a good mix and cook it for 1 more minute. You will turn off the heat and put the broccoli mixture into a bowl. You can take the same pan and turn it on to medium heat again. Then you will take a slice of bread and then you can spray some oil on it, or you can spread some butter. You can just kind of spread it with your fingers, and then you will put the slice of bread oil side down. You will also sprinkle on some cheese, and then you will also add in some chili flakes if you would like, some more salt and pepper, and you can also add on some of the broccoli mixture. Then you will sprinkle a little bit more cheese on top of the broccoli. And you will take another slice of bread, put some oil or butter on that, spread it, and put it oil side up. Then you will put on the lid so that the cheese melts faster, and you will cook this for around 1 to 2 minutes or until the bottom side of the grilled cheese is brown. The bottom side of the sandwich is done. You can flip it over, put the lid on, and cook it for around 1 minute. Once the broccoli grilled cheese is ready, you can take it out onto a plate and repeat the same steps for all of the remaining broccoli mixture and cheese. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. See you in the next video.